Image pretty smooth. It should be. I have my Sony ZV-E10 on the Zoom Weeble S stabilizer, or you can call it a gimbal. One thing, if you're in the market in buying one of these gimbals, one thing I cannot stress enough is make sure whatever camera you put on your gimbal, make sure you balance your camera correctly on the gimbal. That could mean a difference between all day performance or just a couple of hours, if that. Trust me, I learned the hard way. I had I'm shooting right now on the Panasonic S1H, a really heavy camera, but a hell of a camera. And I didn't have the camera balanced correctly on the Weeble S. And I tell you, my batteries didn't last any time at all. So let's go ahead and talk more about it. Okay, what you are looking at here, let me set this down, is a perfect, can you see me? Okay, right there. This is a perfect example of a perfectly or near perfectly balanced camera. Again, Sony ZV-E10 Zoom Weeble S. This is a perfectly balanced camera on here. All of the axes, it took me a while to, if you get a gimbal and you try to balance a camera on it, it's gonna take you a while, and sometimes it can be frustrating. But you can do it. If I did it, you can do it. I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna show you an example of how this is balanced. If this was not balanced, what it would usually do, it would fall forward or fall away really hard. This might fall slightly, but it's not gonna fall too much. I'm gonna turn the gimbal off now. Now, it's off. The gimbal is off. And the camera didn't fall anyway. It didn't fall in any type of way. Now I'm going to show you something else, how this camera is properly balanced. You see that? It's a little windy out here, it might blow it a little bit, but this is a perfectly balanced camera. Wherever way I put this, whatever way I turn this, it stays just like it is. That's perfectly balanced. And as I said before, let me put this to the side for a moment. As I said before, it may be frustrating, it may make you want to pull your hair out, it may make you want to knock your own teeth out or whatever. But with the camera being properly balanced, it's less work and stress on the motors. They're not working hard, and that just translates into not much battery power being used. So you'll be out shooting all day with your gimbal and your camera because you'll have plenty of power because it's properly balanced. The camera's properly balanced on the gimbal. So with that being said, I hope this video did help you out if you're in the market for getting a gimbal. And until the next one, until the next video, look at that. I'm not holding it or anything. I'm letting it go. The gimbal is not even on. The camera is just balanced. But until the next one, peace out.